Understanding these 10 golden rules can be a game changer that will leave you astonished. These rules are not just lofty theories, they are practical principles that can empower you to shape your reality and live life to the fullest. Ahoy, crew member of the Manifest Galaxy. This is your captain speaking. Before we set off, don't forget to subscribe to be our crew member. In a world where the power to shape our reality lies within us, a revolutionary approach has emerged, a path known as reality transurfing. This unique method offers profound insights into reshaping our reality, transforming our self, concept, and manifesting our deepest desires. Reality transurfing is not just another self-improvement method. It represents a fundamentally different way of thinking and behaving. In his book, Vadim Zeland presents the concept of reality transurfing, which offers a unique perspective on shaping your reality and transforming your self-concept. As someone who has studied A Course in Miracles for over a decade, I found Zeland's language and ideas to be compatible with my scientific mindset and the notion of our world as a quantum universe. Welcome to the world of reality transurfing. Our journey begins with the first principle. Golden Rule 1. The space of variations. Every possible variation of life already exists, encompassing infinite roles and life tracks. The world we perceive is a collection of memories, data, and information containing countless manifestations with individualized preferences, beliefs, and attachments. In this model, our creative power lies in the quality of our attention, intention, thoughts, and beliefs, which shape our destiny. By consciously choosing our focus, we can manifest the reality we desire. Golden Rule 2. Pendulums. Pendulums are energetic structures formed by the collective thoughts, beliefs, and followership of various ideologies, religions, and societal constructs. When we are unaware of their influence, pendulums can negatively impact our lives. Resisting and fighting against pendulums only strengthens their hold on us. To free ourselves, we must become aware of their influence and disengage by withdrawing our investment and attention from them. Golden Rule 3. The Wave of Fortune. The wave of fortune represents a set of circumstances that are personally favorable to us. By choosing happiness, success, and joy, we align ourselves with this wave and create our own positive reality. It requires emitting positivity and reducing negativity to ride this wave of fortune. Golden Rule 4. Excess potential. When we attribute excessive importance to something, it creates a distorted perception of reality. Balancing forces arise to highlight and address these imbalances. Letting go of attachment and judgment allows us to find balance and manifest the best possible outcomes in any situation. Golden Rule 5. Induced transition. Induced transition happens when negative energy accumulates and spirals out of control, leading to unpleasant situations. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality, and focusing on negative self-images only worsens the situation. By staying energetically neutral and not engaging with negativity, we can avoid being drawn into personal hells. Golden Rule 6. The alternatives flow. The alternatives flow teaches us to go with the flow of life and accept what is presented to us. Resisting and being at war with our experiences only leads to struggle. Letting go of control and striving from a place of inner peace allows us to navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Golden Rule 7. Intent. Intent goes beyond mere desire. It is resolute intention that manifests our desires. Inner intention based on personal will is limited, while outer intention represents trust and allowance for unknown forces to bring our goals into reality. Golden Rule 8: Slides and Visualization. Slides are mental images infused with emotions that project into our outer world. Positive slides help us open our perception of reality to include the impossible, and implausible visualization activates our subconscious mind, aligning it with our conscious goals and attracting the circumstances needed for their fulfillment. Golden Rule 9: Importance. Importance is the driving force behind our reality. The more significance we give to something, the more power it holds over us. Reducing importance and embracing a lightness of being allows us to manifest our desires without attachment or fear. Golden Rule 10: Frailing. Frailing is the art of living life without clinging to a specific outcome. It's a state of surrender where we trust the flow of life and allow it to guide us towards the best possible version of our reality. By embracing uncertainty and remaining open to possibilities, we create space for miracles to occur. These 10 principles of reality, Transurfing, offer a profound shift in our understanding of reality and our ability to shape it. By applying these principles in our daily lives, we can transcend limitations, rewrite our life script, and manifest the extraordinary. Welcome to the world of reality transurfing, where you hold the power to create your own reality. Remember, you are the author of your life story. Embrace the power of reality transurfing and unlock your unlimited potential. With reality transurfing, the possibilities are endless. Step into a new realm of consciousness and become the architect of your own reality. Before your departure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our next adventure. This is your captain signing off.